Tom and Lori are considering buying a house and they're looking at the different costs. So they know that for this house, the monthly mortgage is going to be $1,233. They know the annual property taxes on the house are $9,400. They know the homeowner's insurance premium is going to cost $876 a year. And their adjusted gross income is $135,511. So they want to know if the bank is going to be able to lend them or will want to lend them $190,000 to purchase the house. And the bank includes several factors when considering this, including their credit rating, to decide if they're going to lend them money. But one of the things that the bank considers is their front end ratio. And their front end ratio is their monthly housing expenses divided by their monthly gross income. So their monthly housing expenses is going to include their mortgage, their property taxes, and then their homeowner's insurance. It's basically all the things that it takes to buy that house or to run that house from month to month to month. And again, this is called the front end ratio. And banks often want this to be 28% or less if they're going to lend you money. So to figure this out, to figure out our ratio, we need to have all of those monthly housing expenses and our monthly gross income. So that means that except for our monthly mortgage, we have to change our gross income, which is yearly, to monthly. We have to change our annual property tax to monthly, and we have to change our HOA insurance to monthly. So for each of those figures, I'm going to take them and I'm going to divide them by monthly, which means I'm going to divide them by 12. So this one divided by 12, our adjusted gross income is then going to give us a monthly income of $11,292.58. That's quite high, but remember that's for both of them. That's both of them together. Then our annual property tax, divide that by 12. That's going to give us a monthly property tax of $783.33. And then finally our HOA, fix that 8 real quick. The HOA fee of $876, we're going to divide that by 12, which gives us a monthly HOA fee of $73. So now we have everything that is monthly. We have our monthly income, our monthly mortgage, our monthly property tax. And so now we need to do our front end ratio, which is adding up all of our expenses and dividing it by our gross income. So here, we're going to add up our monthly mortgage. So the $1,233. We're going to add up our monthly property tax. So $783.33. And our monthly HOA insurance of $73. And then we're going to divide that by our monthly adjusted gross income of $11,292.58. So make sure that when you do this on the calculator that you do all of the addition first. So all of the addition, hit enter, then divide by the 11,000, or if you want to do it all as one problem, you can, but make sure that you put the top all in parentheses. So top all in parentheses, add them up, divide by the 11,000 is going to give us 0.185. Two butt cheeks is going to give me 18.5%. And so based on this, the bank probably would give the Courtneys their loan since they have less than the 28% that's required